Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. Mr. Wertz is in charge of our math lesson today, so let me hear an applause. Come on, you can do better than that. Everybody clap. Mr. Wertz is here. All right. Well, today's lesson is going to be working with area. Now, with area, you have a rectangle. Anytime you find an area of a rectangle, you multiply the base. The base happens to be 18 inches. The height happens to be 12 inches. So in order to solve a problem like this, you would multiply our bottom side, our base, which is our length, times our height, which is the width. So we're going to use base times height. 18 times 12. We would do this. We're going to take 18 and multiply it times 12. 8 times 2, that's 16. 2 times 1 plus the 1 up there is 3. Okay, bring down our 0. 1 times 8 is 8, and 1 times 1 is 1. Then we're going to add these up. 6. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our area is 216 inches squared. Okay? The base times the height, we're going to multiply, and we came up with 216 inches squared. That is our area. Now, we also have triangles. If we're going to multiply with triangles, the area of a triangle, we're going to have to do some work. Our base is 15 centimeters, and our height of the triangle is 6 centimeters. What we would do is multiply 15 times 6. And we would come up with our area of our triangle. And we have to divide that by 2 because it's a triangle. So here's what we would do. We're going to multiply 15 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 3 is 90. 90 divided by 2 because it's a triangle. Remember, the top number is the cowboy, goes inside. The horse goes on the outside. 2 goes into 9 4 times. Subtract. 9 subtracted from 8 is 1. Drop the 0. And 2 goes into 10 5 times. So, our area, the area of this triangle is 45 centimeters to the second power. Okay? Let's review this real quick. Area of a rectangle, square, or parallelogram is base times height. So we multiplied 18 times 12, and we came up with 216 inches squared for our rectangle. Of our triangle, area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. We multiplied 15 times 6, we came up with 90. 90 divided by 2. Cowboy goes on the inside, the horse goes on the outside, 2 goes into 45 times, remainder 0. Area is 45 centimeters to the second power. And there's our formula. Area equals 1/2 times base times height, or base times height divided by 2. Now today's lesson is this. your job is to solve this net. This is a square pyramid. Now, square pyramids are like those geometric shapes. Okay? This has a face of a triangle. Now this square pyramid, when it opens up, it forms a net. You can see it drawn on the board here. The square here, each side measures 32 centimeters, and the height of one of the triangular faces is 20 centimeters in height. Our job is to answer this question. What is the area of one triangular face? And what is the total surface area of the square pyramid? So, boys and girls, in order to solve this problem, first you need to find the base times the height of our square. Our square measures 32 by 32 by 32 by 32. Our triangle is 20 centimeters tall. We will give you a few minutes to let you pause the video. Teachers, if you would do that now, pause the video and give the students a few minutes to solve this problem, and then we will work on it. Go ahead and take a look at the question, and we'll come back in just a minute. All right, if you're going to be solving this problem, we need to find the area of our square. We're going to take 32 times 32. Each side measures 32 centimeters. We're going to multiply the base times the height of our square. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. Bring it down to 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. You're going to add these numbers up. 4, 12, and 9 plus 1 is 10. So the area of our square is 1,024 centimeters to the second power. Now, we found this area. We also have to find the area of our triangle part here. This side has to measure 32. The height is 20 centimeters, so we're going to multiply times 20. 2 times 0 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. Bring down to 0. 2 times 2 is 4. And 3 times 2 is 6. Add these up. 0, 4, 6. 640. But we have to divide it by 2. Okay, because it's a triangle. So 640 divided by 2. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. Drop of 4. 2 goes into that 2 times, which is 4. And 2 goes into 0, 0. So half of 640 is 320. So the area for the triangle part is 320 centimeters to the second power. Now, let's go back to our questions. Our question said, what is the area of one triangular face? We said 320 centimeters to the second power. And the second question, what is the total surface area of the square pyramid, counting all 4 sides plus the square? So we're going to have to add 320 plus 320 plus 320, or just do that 4 times. Times 4, that's 0. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay? Then we're going to take this and add it to our square, which was 1,024. 1,024. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2,304. 2,304 centimeters to the second power is our surface area, counting all the sides, the faces, and the square. I hope you got our problem right, teachers. If I can see a thumbs up from everyone that got it correctly, give me a thumbs up if you got it correct. All right, that's our question for today. Have a great Wednesday. Remember, today is what? Hump Day!